Exercise 2 and 3. Phonics and handwriting. 1. Listen and repeat. Eggs, exit, engineer. 10. Vet, leg. L, lamb, leaf, lemon, lamb.